Welcome to Rome Tips. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience with the tool. Zoho Bookings offers a robust platform for businesses to manage their appointments and streamline their scheduling process. It provides a centralized location for all booking activities, eliminating the back-and-forth emails and phone calls that can consume so much time. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface, making it easy for both businesses and clients to navigate the booking process. Customers can effortlessly schedule appointments through a personalized booking page, selecting their preferred time slots and services. Zoho Bookings also integrates seamlessly with popular calendar applications, ensuring that appointments are synchronized and readily accessible. This integration minimizes scheduling conflicts and ensures that businesses are always up to date with their bookings. Beyond simple scheduling, Zoho Bookings offers a suite of features designed to enhance business operations. Automated email and SMS reminders help reduce no-shows and keep clients informed about their upcoming appointments. Furthermore, the platform facilitates online payments, allowing clients to securely pay for services upfront or at the time of their appointment. Detailed reporting and analytics tools provide valuable insights into business performance, enabling users to track key metrics such as booking volume, revenue, and client engagement. Zoho Bookings also provides customizable branding options, allowing businesses to tailor the booking experience to match their brand identity. This personalization can enhance professionalism and create a more cohesive customer journey. With its comprehensive feature set and user-friendly design, Zoho Bookings presents a valuable solution for businesses looking to optimize their scheduling processes and improve overall efficiency. From reducing administrative overhead to enhancing the customer experience, Zoho Bookings empowers businesses to take control of their schedules and focus on what matters most, delivering exceptional service.